Okay, while the Beacon Planner is still opening, we can add our calculation surface, because the calculation surface is very important, and we said that we need 100 lux on the service area. So I'll go to the calculation objects, and I'll say calculation object here, and I will put calculation object there. I'll open the false color. I will say this is the fuel area, fuel service area, or service area. Just say service area, because later on we will create calculation surface for driveway, and I will say this is horizontal illuminance, and then I will change the scale, and I will extend it up to here and up to here, and also under the canopy. I'll just make it under the canopy. If I want, I can also change the distance of the points. I'll make it 1 by 1, and then isoline, leave it like that. Okay, so now I have my calculation points, and it should be 150 lux. So Beacon Planner is now on. I'll go and shop now my fuel pump. So I just click the warehouse. Let's say fuel pump. Okay, so I have fuel pumps here. There are so many lots, but make sure that you took only that is low poly, like maybe less than 1 MB. Otherwise, this is 7.6. This is too much. Okay, let's look for another one which is low poly. Maybe we can take this one, and this one is yeah, this is fine, 900 KB. So just download it, and then once you download it, yep, say meters, and you will say this is, the width is 1 meter. You can scale it later on, and then say okay, and then I'll just insert it there and there, and then I will zoom extend just to make sure that everything is only the fuel station. So you go and orbit it. Okay, it looks good. So just go and file, and then export and geometry, and then select the 3D files, and then put it in the desktop, and put it in my folder which is petrol station, and I will say petrol pump. Yep, there you go. And yes, I'll say export, and then I will close it now. Yes, I'll say no. Then I'll go to my Dialux Evo, and I will insert that fuel pump. So file, import 3ds file, and then I'll import it, and then there you go. Look at that, amazing. And you can change the color of that one because it's too dark. So pick the material, copy that one, make it a little whiter, and then just drag and drop. All right, and then if you want to change the color of some parts, you can also do that. Just drag and drop. And this one is looks like red, so you can also change this one. There you go. And if you want it black, because there's a black there, you can also change that one into black. There you go. I think this is fine. It looks good. Now you can move this one into your fuel pump here. You can replace that one, or you can just do it here on the other side. So to do it on the other side, let's just draw an extrusion body here, and then okay, oops, just undo. You can edit this one later on. Okay, and then keep doing it until you finish with your gutter. Oops, if you made a mistake, just undo it. And there you go. So make it 0.1 only. Put it in 0 because I think it's on the top of the floor roof. or canopy, and then make it 0.1. That's the height of the gutter. And there you go. And then move it, go to the elevation view. Move your pump here, go to the plan view and move it there. Okay, it's not so exact, but it's okay. Okay, go to the elevation view again to double check. Yes, move it a little down. There you go. Okay, and then just copy and paste to the other side. Control C and then Control V, and there you go. And now you have an amazing fuel pump. Okay, so on the next, later we will put our luminaire and see if we will achieve our lux level of 150 lux. It's not part of your question, but let's just complete it now. Okay. Okay, so our fuel station is done. Look at this. And I put the calculation surfaces on the fuel area, on the parking area, the entrance and exit. Sorry, entrance and then exit. And I achieve an amazing result for the lux level. So one of the consideration in lighting design for a petrol station is to limit the light pollution. So what I did is, instead of putting a street light or area lighting, I just put a wall-mounted luminaire and bollards on the entrance. And of course, the correct luminaire for a petrol station should be, IP65 and everything. And is it really necessary to be explosion proof for a luminaire in petrol station? Well, let's see. So if you want to know more how I did this petrol station, you can enroll now in my Udemy course, Petrol and Fuel Station Lighting Design Techniques. And you will find out how I did this one. I will also teach you the standards, the right luminaire, some tips and tricks, and other stuff in this Udemy course. Okay, so see you again on the next video. Bye.